Having worked for a company like Amazon, what I felt was Excel is one of the most widely used tools in today's industry. And as a club Praxis, we observed and we felt that there is a gap between the knowledge of a student and what the industry requires. To overcome that gap, to bridge that gap, and to help students how to analyze the data and how to visualize the data, we decided to go ahead and conduct this Excel workshop.
Hi, it's me Shri Priya from MBA July batch. So I was the host of 2-day workshop Excel. So today we completed it. So I want to ask one of our participant of Excel, Aryan from MBA July batch. So Aryan, how was the experience?
I think the experience was very good. In these 2 days, we've learned a lot about Excel, and it was a really good initiative that has been brought up by the Praxies Club, because these sessions are really interactive for us, because we get to learn a lot in these sessions, because in industries Excel is a pretty much widely used software that people use it for the work, and these 2 days were really productive, and we learned a lot in these 2 days. So I think it was really nice.
Yeah, actually, 2 days of workshop is very good. I have learned many new tools how to use, and I think in future I'll be working smart with this Excel.
Well, I really enjoyed the course. The course delivery was pretty precise, the content was on point, and it was an easy to follow course. We learned many topics, be it macros, interactive dashboards. I've worked on it before, but it was a good refresher course, so I thoroughly enjoyed it.
I found it very informative, and Ayush covered it very well, starting from the very basics. He took us to the end till macros and dashboards. So I was very much satisfied with the workshop.
Yeah, it was actually a really good experience for me because I was a zero at Excel. As you know, I'm a doctor. So, but for me, it was a very new experience and a good one actually. Ayush did explain all the details, all the things in detail, and for a person like me to get to know from the basics till the advanced level, it was really a great opportunity for me. So, that's it.
Thank you, Dr. Swati.